Hello my friend, Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and today I'm going to give you an overview of our crypto markets mastermind group and how to use Slack on your mobile phone to access and engage in our community. For starters, you will need to go to the App Store on your mobile phone. You know, the Apple Store if you're on an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android, for example. And once you're in the App Store for your respective phone, just search the word Slack to find the app you see on the screen here for the Slack Business Communications app. Look for the logo as you see it here in the upper left-hand corner next to the word Slack. Once you have it installed and open on your mobile phone, you will just need to go to the email that you used to register for Bitcoin Lifestyles Club and use its search function to search for the word Slack. Because when you first registered and paid for your membership, you should have received two emails. One with your login details for the members course area, and a second email from Slack with your login link to our mastermind group. If you are watching this video very briefly after having registered and paid for your membership, it should be in your latest emails. And if not, be sure to check your junk or spam folders. And if for some reason you still can't find it, just reach out to me for support and I will help you out, no problem. So once you find the invite email from Slack for the Bitcoin Lifestyles Club Mastermind Group, just open it and click the invite link in your email. And it will open up the group right in the Slack application that you already have installed and open on your phone. This should land you into our main channel of conversation called Trading Talk, as you can see it here on the screen. I would consider this channel to be our main hub of conversation for the group. If you only had enough time to follow one channel, this would be the one. This is where we are going to be discussing the flow of Bitcoin and altcoin markets daily, providing our analysis, opinions, market research, and other sorts of valuable crypto markets info whenever possible. As I scroll through here, you see we have a conversation happening in real time every day, full of analysis and useful information you can use to your advantage for your trading strategies. Using the app is pretty self-explanatory. Like any other chat application, you can type your messages at the bottom where it says Message Trading Talk, which means whatever you type will go into the Trading Talk channel after you click the send button in the lower right hand corner of the screen. Then the options you have below that field are the @ symbol, which will give you a list of the members you can tag in your commentary to the channel if you needed to. The little paperclip document icon allows you to upload files to the group, and the image icon over on the right hand side will allow you to upload an image from your phone's photo gallery. If you need more space to type a longer message, you can just tap the two arrows icon that is right above the send button on the lower right side of the screen. And of course, you can press it again to minimize it. You can press your finger down onto any comment that's in the conversation area. You can press your finger down onto any comment that's in the conversation area in order to leave a reaction in the form of an emoticon, like a thumbs up or a smiley face or any number of different emoticons that you can choose to add. Another option you have, if you press down on that, is you can start a thread, so you can reply directly to this comment as a threaded comment, like so. And you can also star the message for your future reference in your account, kind of like an organization strategy. The three dots at the top right of the screen will open up a menu with more options, which includes the ability to edit your Slack member profile. And you can review any posts that you were tagged in by clicking Activity, or you can review posts that you have starred by tapping the Starred Items option. And there are a few more self-explanatory options here that you will be able to figure out easily on your own time. To close this menu, just click the dark background portion on the left side of the screen. Now for any channel you are in, you can click the channel name at the top in order to see more details and options for it. So now I'm going to click where it says Trading Talk right at the top of the screen. And this will open up that menu. To close this screen, just click the little X at the top left of the screen. Because we have many other channels of conversation, myself or other members will post hashtag links to other channels in this Trading Talk channel in order to bring attention to other interesting pieces of information, market research, or news that is happening in the other channels. I will just scroll to find an example of one real quick. So for example, earlier today, I put some news about a Tron-based token in the Tron Dexchange channel. So I mentioned that and put a link here by hashtagging the channel name when I wrote the message. So you can simply click this little link here. You see where it says hashtag Tron Dexchange in this message that I wrote at 4:09 a.m. And when you click it, it will bring you over to whatever channel that was mentioned, which in this case is the Tron Dexchange channel, which is a channel that discusses Tron and the Tron wallet and the decentralized exchanges on the platform. Of course, there is also a way to easily navigate all of our channels of conversation. All you have to do is click the Slack logo at the top left of the screen. This will make a navigation of all the Mastermind Group's channels of conversation slide out from the left side of the screen. And let's go over your main navigation options. The Threads option at the top will show a list of all the most recent active conversations that you can scroll through and participate in. This is just an interesting way to get up to date with the latest posts in one fell swoop if you wanted to. But you can also quickly see which channels have unread messages, meaning that there has been chat activity you have not read yet, just by looking at the channel names that are listed in white at the top of the list under the Unreads heading, which would include Bitcoin speculation, ETF stock market talk, exchanges, Masternode Mania, Mining Mastermind, and so on. As you can see, all these channels are white there in the unread category. So you can click through these channels and see what the latest conversation is that people are talking about. You can easily click into any of the channels to see what's going on, and then use the Slack logo to go back to the channel navigation. If you scroll down the list, you can also see I have a second heading of channel links called Starred. You can star your favorite channels of conversation so you have them always available in one place, as there are quite a few channels in this group, which is something that evolves over time as we come up with new channel or discussion ideas of focus, or a channel may be removed if it becomes irrelevant or unused. To add a channel of conversation to your star list, just click into the channel that you want to add. We'll go into news links, for example. Then you can click where it says the channel name, news links, at the top to open up the channel's menu option. Then you can click the star in the upper right hand corner. As you can see, mine is already golden colored, meaning that I already added this channel to my starred list. I can just tap it to take it off the list and tap it again to add it back, no problem. Next, I will click the X in the upper left hand corner to get out of this screen, and then go back to the channel navigation by clicking the Slack logo again. And then if you scroll down more, you will see a list of the rest of the channels of conversation that are available in the BLC Crypto Markets Mastermind group. And scrolling all the way down to the bottom, you can see that you also get access to private message me if you ever have any questions about anything. I'm always happy to help. Just allow me a moment to get back to you. I will always reply in good time. And that pretty much goes over everything you need to know about how to use the mobile version of Slack to get the most out of our Crypto Markets Mastermind group. And it's best to have access to this on mobile, even though I do use it on both mobile and the computer, just because I highly value the power of staying in touch with what is happening with the crypto markets while I'm on the go out of the office. This is crucial because timing with the crypto markets is the key to success, so staying plugged in is important when it comes to staying ahead of the curve with all this, and maximizing your crypto trading profitability as a result. And of course, we have a few rules for the mastermind, and these rules exist to make the mastermind group a friendly environment that everyone feels like they can participate in, which at the same time keeping it effective and not wasting anyone's time. So here we go with the rules of the BLC Crypto Mastermind group. Rule number 1, no question is a stupid question. This one is important to me because we have people of all skill levels here and I don't want anyone to be left out. Rule number 2, keep the conversation focused. In the Trading Talk channel, we are keeping it focused mainly to conversation of Bitcoin and altcoins analysis. Please do not spam this channel with links. I'm sure whatever you have to share is interesting, and by all means, please share it in the appropriate categorized channel. For example, if you have a news article, put it in the news links channel. or if you have something about mining, or if you have questions about mining, go talk in the Mining Mastermind channel. And if whatever that you posted in any of these channels you think is really great and you want to get more attention to it, you can then post a comment about that in Trading Talk and put a hashtag link to the channel. And the keeping the conversation focused rule works the same for the other channels too, of course. This is just about effectiveness of the use of our Mastermind conversation space, and it makes for a better, more valuable experience for everyone involved. Rule number 3. No profanities or obscene language or harassing other members. Keep it civil. I haven't really seen much of a problem with this since we've started in 2015. You all have been an amazingly polite bunch that I've been just completely blessed to work with. Rule number 4. Do not solicit other members with affiliate links or other business opportunities within the Mastermind channels or using the private messenger. This is just something that could make people uncomfortable. Now, the exception with affiliate links can be potentially sharing some sort of crypto airdrops or bounties, for example, should be fine, but absolutely no MLM businesses, other types of business opportunities, or affiliate product links should ever be posted in the Mastermind group or private messaged to anyone. And that sums it up for the rules. We really don't need many anyways, which is great. Other than that, I pretty much showed you everything you need to know about how to get into and maximize your access to our Crypto Markets Mastermind chat group, which is constantly flowing 24/7 with the crypto markets information, keeping you up to date. And don't forget, you can register as an affiliate of Bitcoin Lifestyles Club and recommend to your friends and family to get involved with our Mastermind group and education platform as well. I'm sure they'll thank you for it later. Now get in there, take advantage of it, and I look forward to see you in the Mastermind soon. Caleb Wright, signing off from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and I'll catch you on the next training video.